idea today. This is a Craftsman 6-speed lawn tractor. I'll look at my top speed here. 4 miles per hour was my top speed with stock pulleys, brand new belt, and a flat tire in the rear. Don't really care about that, I guess. I mean, most people know how fast a riding lawnmower goes. And anyways, what we have in store for today are these bad boys off everyone's favorite website, Facebook Marketplace. So let's take a look on how I got these. Okay, there's the one. Here's the other. Now I got these in a $75 deal. What they came on was this here machine. So this was 75 bucks with those tires on it. This one ran when parked. It could use a transmission. I mean, yeah, it'll probably be a wise idea to get a new transmission. So that's that. Figured I'd take the tires off that though, and the rims, and throw them on this unit, which I was gonna pulley swap, but have not gotten to that point yet. Just installed a brand new drive belt today. So, I mean, it's a very similar mower. The wheels should just bolt right up. Slide right on, I should say. I mean, I can't think straight here. So, let's get this project going.